covert mission? Does she do that? No. They're in bed together sleeping. She's got the gun. She's got the knife. He's asleep. What better opportunity would somebody need? Each one of you is entitled to deliver your verdict to this courtroom. You do not have to succumb to the pressure of a fellow juror who may not agree with you. You can have the courage of your conviction to deliver your own verdict. If Miss Arias is guilty of any crime at all, it is the crime of manslaughter and nothing more.
All right, there you go. Kirk Nurmi doing what he can. We have with us two great defense attorneys, Holly Hughes, also a former prosecutor, and Darren Kavanoki as well. Let's start with the positive for Kirk Nurmi. His best argument, you correct me if I'm wrong, is if she had this premeditated plot, why don't you just show up and shoot him?
That's exactly right, Mike. Why wait 13 hours? And you've got much better shots than when he's in a shower and he's slippery and he's naked and he can get away. You know what? She testified, hey, I came there at 4 in the morning. We did what we did in the bedroom. Then we took a little nap before. So you know what? If it's premeditated, shoot him in the head while he's sleeping.
Well, yeah, he asked some good questions to try and get the jurors to think, well, why wouldn't she do this? Why wouldn't she do that? And that's effective as far as it goes. The problem, ultimately, is trying to apply logic to this topsy-turvy world of Jodi Arias, and I think that evidence is overwhelming. In that sense, he's rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic.
But it only takes one, guys.
And
that's
what
only
he was
trying to
talking
get
to,
one.
right?
That's right. He's trying to
just
pull
trying
one
to get
off from the herd
Stand up
and
for your
saying,
conviction.
stand up.
That's right.
Exactly
and
right.
Be brave.
Yeah.
That's what I tell my juries. Be brave. It may not be popular, but do it.
How about this interesting moment when he looks at the jury, and we'll hear it, and basically says, you know what? I don't even like her most of the time. Let's listen to it. We'll get you guys weighing in.
Okay.
It's not even about whether or not you like Jodi Arias. 9 days out of 10, I don't like Jodi Arias. But that doesn't matter. Your liking her or not liking her does not objectively assess the evidence. It's about the evidence. What happened?
There you go. Darren, effective or not?
Well, well-intentioned, poorly executed. A lawyer's not supposed to personally vouch for anything. What he's trying to do is to get people to focus on the evidence, to put aside their emotion, their natural passions, which get inflamed in a case like this. But I just don't like the way that he did it.
Okay, I'll say this. I thought it was a nice moment for her because it was a genuine smile, and I think there might be one juror say, do I really want to put her to death? Holly, your thoughts?
Absolutely, because it humanizes her, and that's what he spent 18 days with her on the stand trying to do. And I think you have to be authentic with the jury. They don't like your client. We know they don't like Jodi. We know they think she's a liar, Mike. But what he did with that little soundbite there that we just played for our viewers was give them permission. It's okay to like her. It doesn't mean you have to kill her. It doesn't mean you have to max her out. He's giving them permission. He's acknowledging, look, I know she's a big bowl of crazy, but don't kill her.
Okay, and again, jury, this is what the jury's doing. They're wrestling with these types of things. Deliberations continue, 12:30 Eastern. You won't miss a moment here on HLN. Guys, thanks.
Thanks, Mike.